create assembly drawing, we can create one by one drawing also. Example, you can filter column or rafter, purlin, like that. Each and every assembly you can separately you can create, or you can select all the things and you can create the drawing also. I will show you one by one. I just go to here, drawing properties, select here assembly drawing. Next I just go here, select the column, and here it is parts. You can select any one. Column plus parts means the single part also will create in this. Column means you will get it the column only. Now I just show you this one, then you will get it here everything. Just keep as it is. We don't want any text here. Delete it, then apply and click OK. Now you can select the column or you can filter the column. Now I just double click outside, then go to the filter. You can select any part. I just make it here part name, make it contain, then I just click here, select from model. I just click this column, exactly. We need to click the column, select the like this. Now I just click, so now you can see here column. Now I just modify, you will get it here column only. Here it is, filter the column only. Now you can select the column, close this one, then I go to create drawing, select here assembly drawing. You have to select the object, that is very important. If you didn't select, it will not show assembly drawing. Now the drawing is created. Go to the document manager, then go to here assembly drawing. You can see here all the column assembly drawing. You can double click this drawing, it will open. Just once you open, after that just close this one. You can see the drawing. You will get it all the welding mark and everything, you will get it. But this drawing, it cannot accommodate inside this drawing. Double click outside, then go to the layout. We have to check what is the drawing. So we need to change this drawing size A1, then modify. So now you can see you will get it little bit enough space. So now you can select the view. If it is required, the required view only you can keep it. If it is not required, you can delete it. We have already this view, side view, so I just delete this view. Then see here, you will get it lot of sections. Which section you want, you can keep that one, otherwise you can delete it. This is the section view. Now just place it, select this one, drag and drop it, select this one also, just drag and drop it. Now also this scale is not enough, so just double click this one. You can change the scale, cancel, select this view and double click. Next go to the attribute, just make it here scale 15, then modify and click OK. Now you can see it is accommodate properly inside. Similar way you can double click this also, make it this scale 15 and modify and click OK. Within few seconds it will modify. Now you can accommodate this column inside here. You can see a lot of welding mark, everything is coming, but we don't want that all the welding mark. You can click this view, then you can go to the view properties. Here in this mark, you can see here weld mark. Then just go to here make it none, select here also none, then weld size the keep as it is, then modify. You can see here all the weld marks are removed. Similar way you can make here also. Double click this one, then go to the weld mark, make it here none. See here, if you need side weld only required, you can make it that one. Sharp weld only required, you can select this one, you will get it sharp weld only. If you need both, you can select here both, but we don't want anything, just keep as it is none, then modify and click OK. It is cleared. This P5 means that is the part mark. You can click here, you can click and drag and drop it wherever you want. Select this one, press the shift key in your keyboard, you can make it wherever you want. You can place it like this. Then here also you can create dimensions. You can create the dimensions, and you can here use these annotations, and you can create the detail sections. Everything is possible here also. Then dimensions, everything you can create. See here, this dimension is coming like this. You can double click this one. See here, dimension types. If you click here, few types available. This is normal. You can select this one, modify. You will get it like this. If you need it like this, select this one. You will get it like this. Or if you need it both, you can do like this. So which type you want, you can select that one, but most commonly using this type of dimension, you can use that one. Then all the dimensions need to follow the same style. So just double click this one, so you will get it these properties. Just select whole drawing. Then if you modify it, means you will get it these properties only. Now you can see here, if you go here, everything what we made, these properties only available the dimension. Similar way, you can select any one and you can change the properties. Once you change, you can select all. If you modify, everything will update with that properties. Then if you need to make any more dimension and all, you can make it. Then you can select this one. If you want to make this marking, you can make it applied mark properties. You will get it this size. Double click this one. You can make changes. If you need to add text, everything you can add it. This is dia 22 dia of this whole. If you need to make the text, I just make it text here, dia. Okay, modify. You can select this one, move up, then modify. You will get it like this dia. I just remove this one. If you need to make dia symbol, just go to the symbol. Then if you go to the select, you will get it here, dia symbol. Just make it here, dia. Then click OK. Then OK. Then select this one, move up, then modify. You will get it dia symbol and all. So like that, you can use lot of things available here. These all the things you can use it here to mark this hole. Then you can see here, you will get it like this symbol because it will break. Break means this area we don't have any other connections and all, so we don't want to show that much length, so that's why it is coming like this. If you don't want this one, you can just select this view, then double click this view properties, you will get it. Then just go to attribute, select here cut part, just make it here no, and modify. Now you can see without any cut part you will get it this whole length, you will get it. After that you can change the scale, you can perfectly accommodate inside. Now just make it here 18 scale. Now I modify and click OK. It will accommodate properly. Similar way you have to change here also. You can see here also available. Similar way you have to change here. Then if you made any modification in model, automatically update here also. Then you can see here this all the view. You can just click here, drag and drop it inside. Just click this one, drag and drop it inside. In that also you can study very clearly which one you require, which one not required. If you need to give any additional information, everything you can use. Here you will get it the material list. This is the mark number, profile, material, everything you will get it. And here it is title block. How to do this title block, material list template, everything available in Tekla Structure 2020 lectures. This is the way you can create this kind of assembly drawing. Now we created, once you filter, after that we created, or you can double click and just remove this filter, remove the filter. Now you can select all the model, then you can go to the create drawing. You can select here assembly drawing, you can create the assembly drawing, whole assembly drawing it will create. You can one by one you can edit and you can change, everything is possible. So this is the way you can create assembly drawing.